In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood lift support on your Nissan Armada. Located under the hood, let's get started. For this demonstration, we're going to be replacing one of the hood lift supports. It is recommended to do one at a time if you are replacing both. Another thing to keep in mind, one of these will not hold the weight of the hood on its own, so you have to prop the hood. Starting at the top, I'm going to go ahead and use a small flathead screwdriver. And what you need to do is pry on this tab, go ahead and wedge it in, and then pull it out. Now we're going to be doing the same process on the bottom clip. And here's the old one. To install the new one, just simply line it up with the bolt and slide it in. We're going to start at the bottom. You want to make sure you feel it click in place. And now for the top, we're going to go ahead and rotate the rod so it lines up with this bolt. Slide it in, make sure it clips in place, and now just give it a wiggle. Make sure that it is nice and secure. Go ahead and remove the prop that we previously installed, and now go ahead and test for functionality. That'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.